to get out of bed. She never looked that way at me. I swear she's fucking with my head. Take me far away from.
What I have here is a new set of bags from Viking Bags. I can't begin to explain how excited I am for this. So haven't looked at these yet. I wanted to do the unboxing with you. So let's rip this open and see what we got.
It's my time. Don't be the victim of your phony love. All you do is waste my time. All of your hypocrisy is killing me. All you do is waste my time. Don't be the victim of your phony love. I'm not looking for a love story anymore. 'Cause honey, Romeo and Juliet were chemical. This ain't a love story, it's a funeral. Darling, damn, you look beautiful. This ain't a love story, it's a funeral. You're killing my heart, it's the usual. There's no signs of stopping now. She stares at me from the ground, like it lives with him, just trying to tear me down. In this evil game, she's proud, living in my head rent free, knowing that she's killing me, she's killing me. All you do is waste my time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All you do is waste my time, yeah. All you do is waste my time, yeah, 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 yeah. I'm not looking for a love story anymore. 'Cause honey, Romeo and Juliet were chemical. This ain't a love story, it's a funeral. Darling, damn, you look beautiful. This ain't a love story, it's a funeral. You're killing my heart, it's the usual.
What's up, guys? Rock here to review a Viking Bags 10-liter Outlaw quick mount Harley Softail solo saddlebag, a hard solo saddlebag. So quickly, I want to show you how it mounts and dismounts. It's got a quick release and just lifts off the bike. This is the mount. This is the luggage rack it comes with. It comes with all the hardware. Bolts right to the side of the bike, real easy. You can see the back here. Easy, quick connect access. We'll put it back on the bike. Snaps on real easy. Got plenty of room for storage. It's got a couple built-in pockets. It does have a locking mechanism that locks it to the bike, and even has a lock on top so you can lock it up so no one can get into it. But plenty of room. You can fit your vest in there, you can fit drinks in there, camera equipment, whatever you need. Real easy to mount, real easy to set up. You can take whatever you need on your trips. I want to show the capacity of this real quick. So in here I have my vest. It's an XL and it's still got room to go. So please visit vikingbags.com. Get one now to sweeten up your bike.